There are two ways to find hidden apps on iPhone. The first way is you can swipe the screen to the left to open this app library, and here you will see all the apps that are installed in your iPhone, even if the app is hidden from the home screen. So you can see the apps according to the categories, and if you see any app whose icon is not present on the home screen, that means the app is hidden. And if you want to bring it back to the home screen, you will just tap and hold the app and then select this option, add to home screen. Now the next way is you have to go to settings. You have to go to this option, general, iPhone storage, and then wait for a few seconds. And here you will be able to see all the applications that are installed in your iPhone, even if the icon of the app is hidden from the home screen. So check if any icon is missing.